माननीय सूचना और प्रसारण मंत्री श्री अनुराग सिंह ठाकुर जी, सूचना और प्रसारण मंत्रालय में माननीय राज्य मंत्री डॉक्टर एस मुरुगन जी, सूचना और प्रसारण मंत्री के सचिव श्री अपूर्व चंद्रा जी, फीचर फिल्म के लिए जूरी के अध्यक्ष श्री एन चंद्रा जी, गैर फीचर फिल्म श्रेणी के लिए जूरी का अध्यक्ष श्री अनुज चड्डा जी, मोस्ट फिल्म फ्रेंडली स्टेट श्रेणी के लिए जूरी के अध्यक्ष श्री साजी एन करुण जी, ऑल इंडिया फिल्म एम्प्लॉयज़ कॉन्फेडरेशन के अध्यक्ष श्री अशोक दुबे जी, फिल्म समारोह निर्देशालय के अपर निर्देशक श्री चैतन्य प्रसाद जी, श्री रजनीकांत जी, दादा साहब फाल्के पुरस्कार विजेता, सभी को नमस्कार, सर्वाना नमस्कार, अनेवरिकम वणक्कम, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, అందరికీ నా నమస్కారాలు. सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ नमस्कारम, बधाने नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, सब जन के प्रणाम, हो कुलवै नो नमस्कार, समस्तन को नमस्कार, शोभे को नमस्कार, सबको आदाब, तमका नमस्कार, ओम नमक पू कुरुंजरी, अंदरिकी नमस्कारम. ఎందరో మహానుభావులు इस वर्ष के राष्ट्रीय फिल्म पुरस्कारों की विभिन्न श्रेणियों में सम्मानित फिल्मकार, निर्देशक, गायक और संगीतकार, कलाकार और टेक्नीशियन बंधुओं, फिल्म जगत से जुड़े अब सभी सम्मानित अतिथिगण, उपस्थिति माननीय अतिथिगण और मीडिया के मित्रों, बहनों और भाइयों, I feel extremely happy to be here amidst you all today to present these national awards for the last 2 years, which could not be held because of the pandemic, COVID, because presenting virtual is not actual, virtual is not factual. So you cannot enjoy also. That's why they have delayed it, and now as the situation is improving, not improved, improving, we are having this function today amidst all of you, and also we are able to felicitate the winners, the award winners in various categories of the film world, and more particularly the popular star around the world, I can say not only India, Sri Rajinikanth ji, who is honored rightly by the government with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award. But I also would like to greet all the men and women who are watching this program across the country to the medium of various channels. 67वें राष्ट्रीय फिल्म पुरस्कार समारोह के अवसर पर अब सबके बीच में आकर मुझे बहुत प्रसन्नता है. सबसे पहले मैं इस पुरस्कार के विजेताओं को हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं. मैं उन सभी लोगों का भी बधाई देता हूं जो इन फिल्मों को निर्माण से जुड़े रहे. I would like to compliment and congratulate all the people, from the light man to the floor sweeper, to the producer, to the director, actors, heroes, heroines, all those people who are responsible for the success of these films. भारतीय फिल्म उद्योग ने विभिन्न भाषाओं में अपनी पहचान बनाई है, चाहे वो भोजपुरी फिल्म हो या तमिल या फिर उड़िया या असमी फिल्म हो, अन्य भाषाओं में भी उल्लेखनीय फिल्में बन रही है। भाषाओं के विभिन्नता के बावजूद सिनेमा की अपनी ही अलग भाषा होती है, जो क्षेत्रीय या सांप्रदायिक सीमाओं से ऊपर है। अलग भाषा, अलग वेश, फिर भी अपना एक देश। विविधता में एकता भारत का विशेषण। We are all Indians, north or south, east or west. India is the best. And we are all proud to be Indian citizens. So we celebrate this industry's success because film industry is one which gives us entertainment, which gives us enlightenment, which gives us encouragement, which makes us feel light when you are heavy with heart. And I can say with all my experience, the cheapest entertainment in the country, in the world for that matter, is cinema. Everything is costly. Right from politics to all other activities, everything is becoming costly. But cinema is not that much costly. Viewing the cinema, producing cinema is costly, I know that. I am not undermining that. Viewing the cinema, entertainment. Even if you don't reach it, it will reach you. Because thanks to the electronic media and also social media, Kangana ji is smiling. Social media means she plays with social media. Social media, one way is very good, very useful. But at the same time, it is not that much constructive. Sometimes it becomes obstructive and also destructive. It has to correct itself. Otherwise, it will lose its relevance, I can tell. Because people will sooner or realize what is happening in the social media. It's really disturbing. Friends, today, we are felicitating one of the great sons of this great country, Sri Rajinikanth ji. Most celebrated actors from South India, not of South India. Forever rules over millions of hearts and needs no introduction. The iconic thespian's unmatchable style and acting skills have indeed given a new dimension to the Indian film industry. His memorable performances in various films, including Mundru, Muduchu, Shivaji, The Boss, Vainatinai, Bhairavi, stand apart and are a part of popular lore. Tadaivar epitomizes the perfect balance between the artistic expressions and mass appeal, something all young filmmakers here could do well to attempt in future. My dear friends, the National Film Awards mirror the diversity of Indian film industry, an industry that is a confluence of many Indian languages, and they have markets also. Needless to add, each of these languages is unique in behavioral and audience preferences. Therefore, the National Film Award is in a sense a tribute to India's diversity. It fosters and recognizes the talent of India's dynamic subcultures. I convey my compliments to all the members of the jury who have taken pains to go through it and made perfect selections. The Directorate of Film Festivals, as also the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, for the commendable job they did at every stage of this selection process. Information is very important, and that too information with confirmation is more than an ammunition. This has to be understood by all. If you give the people right information, correct information. It will be a powerful tool in their hands. That's why the people, the ministry, the people who are all working in the field of communication, they should all remember to pass on the correct information, truthful information. The fact that India is the largest producer of films in the world is an expression of its soft power with a transcontinental footprint. Our films are watched and appreciated across the world, in Japan, in Egypt, in China, and United States, Russia, and Australia, Middle East, and a host of other countries. Films are among our foremost cultural exports, and they are our cultural ambassadors, and serve as a key link in connecting the global Indian community to the rhythms of life back home. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu. Vasudaika kutumbakam. Share and care is the core of Indian philosophy. That's why the entire world is looking to India. Its philosophy, its spirituality, its way of life. I am not talking of religion. Religion is personal. I am talking of the culture, the way of life, the tradition that have been given by our forefathers who lived for years. And with all their experience, they have given us this rich culture and also these rich traditions. We must preserve, and I appeal to the cinema community to preserve our culture, our heritage, because as I told you, everybody is looking towards India. And we must give our best cultural ethos and values to the people. The best feature film this year, Marakkar, portrays the courageous life events of a rebellious naval chief, Muhammad Ali Marakkar, also known as Kunjali Marakkar IV. Fourth, the historical action-packed films revolves around this heroic figure who is believed to be the first Indian naval commander and was also a freedom fighter in the war against Portuguese. I am happy to see regional films, I call them national films in fact. All the Indian languages, they are national languages. Unfortunately, we confine them to region. No, it's not correct. All Indian languages are national languages. That's why I tell my colleagues in Parliament also to treat every Indian language as a national language and not to be carried away by Western culture, not to be influenced by Western mind, because for years we are ruled by foreigners, ruled and ruined by foreigners. They came, they attacked us, they ruled us, they ruined us, they looted us, they cheated us. It's early the better we come out of that mindset and think on the lines of our tradition. The Haryanvi film, Soran say, Kam Nahi Hote, deals with the issue of curtailing freedom in the lives of women and is centered around a girl's struggle to study and become an IPS officer. In Anandi Gopal, we celebrate one of the first Indian female doctors of the Western medicine. Neera Madhav's Panda's Budia film, Karira Atita, deals with the issue of rising sea levels due to global warming, a subject of burning importance with universal relevance. Climate change is real. It is happening. We have been ill-treating the climate. We are now learning the lessons of how the climate is reacting and the nature is reacting. That's why I say nature, culture, together for your future, good future. Nature, culture, together for future. Remember this, every one of us has to respect the nature, respect the seas, respect the rivers, respect the air, respect the sun, not your son, the sun. You may love your son, no problem, you should. You can also love your son-in-law also, no problem. But we must love sun, who is giving the real light. Unfortunately, we are avoiding sun, and we suffered in this pandemic. Sun gives you energy. It revitalizes your energy, keep you always healthy. See one small example. In this pandemic, people in the rural areas are less affected. In the urban areas are more affected. We are living in congestion, pollution, tension, no attention. That's the problem in urban areas. So we must go back to our roots and try to live with the sun. Try to be friendly with the trees, forests, and try to be friendly with the water, and try to be friendly with nature. This is one lesson the teacher, Corona, has taught all of us. Corona is one way a teacher. So we have to understand this. And the film industry also should focus on the importance of nature. Telugu cinema has been a major contributor to the development of Indian cinema. Over a period of more than 100 years, the Telugu film industry has given us many hits, from Pedda Manushulu, the first Telugu movie to win National Film Award under the Best Telugu Film category in the 2017, and Indian war film Gaji. The recent film, Telugu film Jersey, deals with late bloomers who seek to shine in sports, but faces several hurdles. Cinema serves as a powerful medium for the promotion of sports, and the film, I am sure, will serve as a source of inspiration to a whole generation of aspiring young sportsmen. Sisters and brothers, a good film, as you are all aware, has the power to touch the hearts and minds. And this power, which you as filmmakers and artists possess, should be used for the betterment of the people, society, and the nation. And you must do it with passion, not fashion, passion. Cinema should usher in positivity and happiness. When you go to cinema, you must come back with happiness, with relief. You should not feel that, headache. And you must be able to remember the cinema. I remember many of the films which I saw in my early ages. Of course, nowadays I don't have time to go to cinema. If I go to cinema, it is a disturbance to others also. I don't want to cause disturbance. The heroines, I was telling Anurag, there are actors in Telugu, late N.T. Ramarao, Nageshwar Rao, and many like that. The cinema used to run for 1.5 years continuously. And nowadays we are seeing some of the cinemas coming in the morning. By afternoon, half the thing is over. Next day, new film. We should focus on really building up such cinema which is entertaining, which gives us some message, which gives us solace, which reduces our tension, and which makes us happy, and which makes us to think positively. Positivity is the need of the hour. Negativity is not going to help us. We are an independent nation. So whatever we show, whatever we write, it should be positive. We must have confidence in our culture, in our generation, in our nation, in our country, in our state. I am not saying you should support only government and all. If the government does good work, support. If the government does something wrong, criticize. But do not obstruct. Be constructive. That is possible only if you are positive. Not the COVID positive, otherwise positive. Real life positive. Positive is only negative in only one sense, in COVID only. Otherwise, I have not heard anybody talking negatively about positive. A film should be a vehicle with a higher purpose, a carrier of social, moral, and ethical message. Moreover, film should refrain from highlighting violence and should voice society's disapproval of social evils. They should totally avoid the use of gross vulgarity and obscenity. Vulgarity and obscenity should be avoided. Yes, Sringara is good. It's part of our culture, Sringara. But at the same time, vulgarity is not part of our culture. A film with a message has a lasting appeal. Our film industry has come a long way from pioneering days of Dadasaheb Phalke technical excellence, sound effects, cinematography, experiments with forms, out-of-box scripts, and excellence both behind and in front of the camera have revolutionized our cinema in the past few decades. It has been a long and enriching journey from the early days of Dadasaheb Phalke to films made in over 40 plus Indian languages and dialects today. Documentaries constitute a key arm of the industry since they deal with critical subjects of relevance. I am pleased to note that the government has played an important role in strengthening the documentary movement in the country. We are living in exciting and transformational times for cinema and for the wider entertainment economy. Technology has changed the way films are made as well as the way they are consumed. With the advent of low-cost data and smartphones, tablets, and addition of OTT platforms, there is a clear shift in viewership patterns. The Indian film industry is adapting to these changes, and I am sure it will continue to devise strategies to convert these challenges. They are a challenge, of course, this technology. But we should convert those challenges into opportunities. Over the years, cinema has become an integral part of our cultural consciousness. I am positive that the focus of Indian film industry would shift gradually towards emphasis on content-driven films, where the story is the hero. The staggering number of films made in different languages in our country every year is a testimony, but not only to the popularity of the film, but also to the fact that the film industry provides livelihood to thousands of families across the country. My dear friends, the cinema industry should not do anything that weakens our great culture, traditions, values, and ethos of our grand civilization. Indian films carry an important message to audience across the world. They should portray a snapshot of Indianness or Bharatiyata to the outside world and need to be effective ambassadors in the world of cultural diplomacy. Once again, I would like to congratulate all the award winners on their outstanding achievements. I have no doubt that each one of you will excel in your future roles and contribute to the well-being of society, our nation, and the world at large. And finally, I would like to tell everyone, to the younger generation also, Mother, who has given us the beautiful birth. Mother tongue, the language which has come from mother's womb. Motherland, the great country which has given us all these opportunities. No one should forget them. Remember mother, mother tongue, motherland, and try to serve in your own way the motherland. Mother tongue is like your eyesight. The foreign language is like your spectacles. If you have eyesight, spectacles will work. If you don't have eyesight, even if you wear ribbon, zuban se kuch aayega nahi. Remember this and try to promote mother tongue. Feel happy, proud to use mother tongue at home, but also try to learn as many languages as possible, because the world has become small village and we are moving. Opportunities are coming. We are now in an era of openness. Keeping that in mind, we must learn as many languages as possible. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Nandri. Vanakkam.
We thank the Honorable Vice President, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu, for his address to the audience.